Photovoltaic energy is the conversion of sunlight into electricity. The job of solar installer consists in supplying and installing photovoltaic equipment on buildings, from the roof to the power connection points. I believe photovoltaic systems are essential today for the energy transition. They are really believed to be the future. The revolution is already happening, and nothing can stop it. A solar installer is somebody who is responsible for his own company, which means that he has to manage his company's day-to-day operations. The second aspect of this profession is the actual technical installation. That is designing and fitting the system, ensuring that it complies with current regulation, code of practice, and uses the latest innovations available. This not only includes all the safety regulations and the rules relating to implementation, but also the relationship with the customer, who is our principal focus every day, which means ensuring customer satisfaction. I think there is a small problem at the site of the university residence. There is not enough room to install all the panels they ask for. Initially, the client asked for 334 panels to be installed on the roof terrace and on the slanted portion, but there's only enough room for 316. It is a Sopra Solar Fixevo mounting system, and I'm not sure if we have what we need in stock. To be a solar installer, you need to possess a number of skills. Technical expertise, know-how related to applicable legislation, which can change from one day to the next. You also need sales and customer relationship skills because in the building trade in general, there are often unforeseen issues at a site, so you have to be able to manage them in a customer-friendly and effective way to ensure the customer is always satisfied and the business functions properly. It's the X21 range, so it is a high-yield 355-watt panel. That might work, but we'll have to check to make sure the system is compliant, won't we?
I think it will fit the mounting system we have at the site, and it also has the technical notice with it.
OK.
So it will do the job.
Great. We'll start the technical studies then.
Let's do it.
Great. For me, there is no ideal background if you want to be a solar installer. After high school, I attended a business school. I then spent a few years working in large companies in consulting and the sports economy, sectors which have nothing to do with the job of solar installer in the building trade. Then I created a photovoltaics company with friends. Can you tell me what type of panel we are using?
We are using the high-yield panel we saw in the warehouse.
OK.
And we had less surface area than initially thought. With this, we can still meet the customer's objectives and reach 300 kilowatts.
OK.
Across the whole system.
To be able to do the job of solar installer, you need to know how to do calculations. You have to be good at mathematics to be able to finish the month with a little money. You need good language skills for communicating effectively with customers and to avoid any misunderstandings, which is, of course, important. You also need to speak foreign languages to be able to buy solar panels in Germany and in Asia, etc. The best moment in this job is when you start up the power system for the first time, because generally it comes after several weeks, even several months of hard work and sweat to get everything finished. There is the initial click, the inauguration when you connect the power. When you turn on the inverter, the display shows the number of kilowatt hours. It is also somewhat of a magical moment when the system starts to function and delivers its first electrons.